Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Assistant isn't available for this account during the setup on your Ulefone Armor 21. So as you can see here, you may have this issue that you can't use this account. Google Assistant isn't available for this account. You need to go back to the Wi-Fi. Here now, if you wait a moment. If you tap a different Wi-Fi network, you need to enter wrong password. Now tap connect, go back, skip, here set up offline, continue, set a pin to your phone, and now you can just set up your phone like it was if it was brand new. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.